Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, shooting this with a track camera, as you can see. Just did a quick experiment, so I wanted to do a quick video to document it. This is the 897. Put it on the outside rail. It's got 8 Lionel cars on it. Anyway, the motor fit in this shell absolutely perfectly, as you can see. The tabs line up with the holes where the screws would be. I added the headlight and just opened that hole and then epoxied that LED bulb flush with the end of the boiler. So putting this on the outside rail, running on the DC controller. As you see, this locomotive runs just absolutely splendidly. So a 6-volt 897 made out of parts. That's pulling 8 Lionel cars with no problem at all. And this runs just one of the best running Marx locomotives I have. There's no doubt about that. As far as being quiet and smooth, it's really quite incredible. And you can run this thing so slow, it's like running an HO train. As you see. So, in any case, just wanted to do a quick video. You know, this started out as an experiment, and I wound up with a new locomotive that not only runs, but it's the best running locomotive I have. There's absolutely no doubt about that. As you can see, this runs just absolutely beautifully. It's smooth, it's quiet, it's powerful. It has an extremely bright, permanent headlight that should never burn out. As you see, it was worth the time it took to build it. There's no doubt about that. So I'm really pleased with the result. It's just an absolutely incredible locomotive. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. Really interesting experiment that resulted in a really decent looking and running locomotive. This is that old 897 shell. I picked this up on eBay for, I don't know, 10 bucks, 12 bucks. Lots and lots of damage to it. And like I said, it was the perfect candidate to use for this 6-volt transplant. Gave some heft to the motor itself. Open up that hole, epoxied that LED light in there. That should be absolutely permanent now. And this locomotive just runs perfectly, as you can see. And it has lots of power. I mean lots of power. This thing will fly off of this rail. So I just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.